Welcome back to Outback Polaks. Beautiful Queensland day, nice and sunny, and we've decided to buy a couple of these Supercheap Auto motorcycle saddlebags because we're going to do some long trips, and I've got the top box for the Yamaha MT07, so we decided to get some saddlebags as well to pack more stuff when we go away on longer trips. Yep. But we're going to do an unpacking, and then tomorrow we're going to do a big ride, try to actually get over the New South Wales border this time, Queensland-New South Wales border, see if we can get back alive. So we'll try them out so you know what they're all like. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's get this done. Unboxing time. Yay.
Two bags, so no instructions.
We're used to that.
Yeah. Or they in here somewhere. No instructions. Oh
right.
Right. I guess we'll just have to wing it like we do with everything.
Yep. Do we need to cut anything on the bikes?
Don't think so just yet, but we have the knife. I think what these are for is they go in
To expand.
Maybe to expand it.
Are the instructions on the box? Shape retention, reflective strip, rain cover, universal fit expendable soft bags.
Yeah, so they go in like
side compartments, Velcro fitting and attachment straps.
Yep.
That's what they're supposed to look like.
Okay. So this looks like this goes in like so.
Ah.
To help it maintain its shape. Hold that in like so. Slip that up in there. There's a little pocket up the top. Yep. Got it. Do the same thing on the front. Aha. It's in there. Yep. Still. There's a zipper. And some Velcro on the back.
Cool.
That's one. And just do the other one.
Okay. So do they go inside the seat or outside of the seat?
Let's look at the instructions. Oh wait, there aren't any.
Yeah.
Right.
So the price for these was $99, which is really good. We've seen them online for between $150 to $99, and so we saw these come up, and we thought we'd buy them.
Yeah.
Because we were actually looking online on buying these, so give it a go. Let's see what it looks like. Right. Okay.
Installed. No.
So I mean, the only problem with them is you can't have a pillion unless the legs are up in the air, and I don't think the police would be very happy with that.
No.
So no pillion. Ah, clips.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I would think that that should go through the rear foot pegs to stop it sliding off the back. I've been wrong before.
It all fails, zip ties.
Yeah.
So after about 20 minutes of swearing, kicking, and pushing, we've managed to figure out how it goes in. So it goes. The big Velcro straps go underneath the seat. It's a pain in the butt to get it in there. Make sure the big straps are loose a little bit, because then this has to point up when you're strapping it in with these mangly little Velcro straps. The reason why, and it's very, very important, right? Well, number one, it's touching your indicators, which is probably not the best thing, but if you go underneath the bike, you can see that the bags are nearly touching the tire when Mark is sitting on it, which basically means that they'll be rubbing against the tire, which is not the best thing in the world. Might get caught in there.
Very badly.
Yeah, so we went to the website, no instructions. The pictures are absolute garbage as well. No explanation on it whatsoever. Yeah.
Oh well, you buy something cheap, it's sort of what you've got to expect.
Supercheap Auto, living up to its name. Super cheap.
Trouble on the MT09 is that MT07. The trouble on the MT07 is that the width of this main strap, the hooks for the rear seat are here and the latch is about here, so it's effectively too wide to get it latched on, so we might have to use a little dodgy. Just same problem I had on my bike. You can't actually then latch the seat on, which is somewhat of a problem.
Yay! Those MMA classes helped.
Yeah, that's what we in the engineering call a bigger hammer. The other thing I'd probably recommend is putting them on the right way. It's backwards.
Get out. Oh, no way.
Again, read the instructions. Dope. Right. Not that I think that's going to make it any easier to...
It is 11 AM and it's already 32 degrees. So, hope you appreciate this, people. What was that?
It's just the thing banging on there.
Okay.
It's all cool. Now, ball jumps on. How close are we to the tyre? That's not too bad. Don't really like the chances of what's going to be like when it's all loaded up with stuff. Okay.
What do you think, Dylan? You ready for an adventure with us?
As long as you guys are happy.
Never happy. This has been a challenge and a half.
Not happy, Mark? Nah. It's always going to be a compromise, not made for the bike.
No, well see, it's got really, like the strap that goes under the seat is about that wide. And this seat is snug to get on and off anyway. So putting, even those couple of layers of Velcro under there, you've basically got to do the whole WWE move to get the seat back on. But I'm a little, yeah, we won't mention the indicators. But I thought they should strap around there. So it's got that strap at the front, but there's no way that's long enough to do that. No.
And I'm wondering whether the indicators being covered is now going to be a defect.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you can just about can't see them from 45 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not even close to being a question that I can guarantee.
Yours is covered for sure, Mark's is questionable.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so before you comment, we did figure out that we had them on backwards. That's Mark's fault. He's the engineerist.
Now, the problem with putting them on the right way is it's made mine slightly better, but still not what I'd consider safe. That's actually made it less safe, but for a different reason. It's made Paul's worse, because they now really cover the indicator. Yes, we know we've got tail tidies on and all that, but at the end of the day, these are how we want our bikes, and if it's not suitable, it's not suitable. So, I've come up with my solution. So if we come around here, my original idea was to engineer something where I was going to pick up on these two bolts. There's also a tie down point on the bike that's another bolt about sort of here. I was going to make a frame and put some bags on it. So rather than me take mine back, my solution is to make the frame I was originally going to make, and that will stop any potential moving into the wheel. I was going to make something like that anyway, so next video, I guess, something.
Yep. So we're not going to go for a ride with these because they're just unsafe. I'm going to take mine back because it's covering the indicators. And yes, I know the tail tidy situation, but at the end of the day, as Mark was saying, this is how we like our bikes.
Yep.
Yes, so
one of the other problems, MT07 two-piece seat, so we can only put it under the rear section. Mine's a one-piece seat, so I do actually have some room to move mine backwards and forwards. So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they're brilliant, but you do need to have the bike that kind of goes on them.
I really think an adventure bike or something like that
Yeah.
that's a bit more designed for this kind of thing.
So for me, it will be the top box, metallic, magnetic tank bag, and that would sort me out for market with this. And then I can strap a backpack, like a military backpack, to my back seat if I'm going for a long ride somewhere. But I guess not having these means that I can bring Lumi with me on longer rides, and Mutt can carry the clothes, and I'll carry the heavier stuff in the top box. And then Mark can also strap a bag to the back of his. So, sorry, Supercheap, they're not.
Great.
What's the Chernobyl thing? They're not. It's not good, but it's not great, or whatever.
It's
not bad.
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
Let me know if you do have any of these type of saddlebags, and if you do have a tail tidy and you made it work, maybe put some indicators on the side. There are Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, I don't know. Wired in. I'm sure if you're going on adventure rides, the tail tidy is the last thing on your mind because it's blocking the crap flying from the wheels. But yeah, subscribe, like and share. Hope you like this. We're buying this stuff so you don't have to. Keep your receipts. What's the Chernobyl thing? They're not. It's not good, but it's not great, or whatever.
So,
it's not bad, but it's not great, or
not great, not terrible.
not great, not terrible. Yeah.